of course, the domestic competition here in Fiji leading up to the international competition later.
Camel or silver slide is for 50 area in my area and it is 650 miles. Sharing the knowledge.
The judges from USC and FAU.
The Chief Executive Officer for Fijian Holdings, you've just heard from Mr. Fareed. He sometimes goes overboard and says very nice things about me, but thank you very much. The CEO of Fiji Television Limited, Ms. Karen, representatives from the ABU Union Robocon Tokyo Secretariat, welcome. Local judges from our two main universities, students and staff of the participating universities, University of the South Pacific and Fiji National University, our secondary school students, invited guests, media partners, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambola Binanka, and a very good morning to you all. Yes, indeed, it's a very, very good morning. I mean, anything to do with children, anything to do with outdoor activities, especially here this morning when we are going to witness the first ever domestic Robocon competition between our two major universities. I mean, I'm wondering what happened to the other university, and I'd like to encourage Fiji to also be part of this in the coming years. And of course, events like this, coming from the teaching background, I must say that events like this, especially when it's live streamed, sort of serves as a inspiration, as an encouragement to other students. And I also was part of the launch at USP last month. And it was exciting to see the demonstration by students on how robots can make or are making life easier for people. And I'll also announce we are gearing up for the August 2020 Asia Pacific Robocon competition in Fiji by conducting a number of competitions across the country within our secondary schools as well. And it is my wish to see that we expand it to primary school as well. And if I can give you a small, just a short background of what the industry needs are. I think we lack expertise in the STEM subjects, and it's very important that we encourage our children from the very beginning to take interest in science, technology, engineering and maths. I mean, you and I are both aware of the shortages in these areas, and it's events like this and the support for events like this that is actually going to fill in the industry gaps that continue to exist in Fiji. And we've got to be very serious about it. As the chairman mentioned, as a government, as a ministry, we are very seriously interested in seeing that we are able to identify these gaps and fill these gaps in the coming years. And so I'd like to thank all our partners, our funders, our donors, our supporters, the schools, the two major universities, our media partners for coming on board and bringing an event like this. And of course, like I said, people sitting in the comfort of their homes are also watching this. And I hope that our teachers, our administrators in our secondary schools pay heed to this. And as we build up to the school competition, we will see some exciting events coming up. And to the girls present here, I personally feel that we lack interest from our girls in these subjects. I don't know why, but probably because we grow up thinking that science subjects are a bit difficult. I myself was an art student, probably because I was never interested in numbers and stuff. But as you take up administrative roles, you learn to understand and appreciate the fact that we also need gender equality in these subjects. I mean, I see the two teams having male members. I mean, that's an indication that we need more girls. So girls, take note of what's happening here, okay? And as you prepare for your school competition to be part of the school competition later on this year, and as we build up to the August 2020, right? Yes, for 2020, we will come up with some exciting, I think, challenges later on. Just a way of background for those watching, ladies and gentlemen, I simply believe that this is a very prestigious program to cultivate young people's interest and curiosity in developing applications by leveraging on electronics, mechanical automation, and information technology, which has become a very, very important and integral part of our generation in this century. And of course, a real migration of science, technology, engineering, and maths. The Asia, as a way of background, the Asia Pacific Robocon competition began in 1991, as already mentioned. And of course, it's organized by the Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union based in Japan. The competition brings together university students from over 20 countries to the region to compete, to develop the best designs to perform complicated exercises. And for those who will be qualifying to participate in the Mongolia contest next month, I would like to wish you all the very best for that, and may you make Fiji proud there. So ladies and gentlemen, traditionally, I'm sure you and I all know, robots have been used by trained professionals in outdoor settings deemed too dangerous for humans, such as during military operations or in disaster response. Can you imagine, I mean, if we really progress in this field, how robotic engineering or inventions are going to make our lives easier? At the moment, we watch this in movies and we read about this in storybooks, but actually, in reality, these have worked very well in industries, in automation, etc. So this probably is a good way forward, because we are moving towards a society that believes in technology, believes in automation, believes in efficiency, and of course, it comes with other side effects as well. But let's look at the positive side of things. And I believe we have a lot of scope for this new invention in Fiji, now and in the future. So this basically provides a platform to demonstrate the capabilities. Today you will see for yourself the capabilities of our university students, their innovation, their energy, and the STEM expertise, and of course the passion that they have. And you cannot do anything without passion. So I'd like to thank the students who are participating for having the passion to participate, right? And showcase their inventions to us and the whole of Fiji today. Ladies and gentlemen, research also confirms that training in STEM serves as a platform for high-paying jobs and is an important link into our growing economy. STEM careers are in demand worldwide. Fiji is no exception. Fiji has also recognized this need, as we lack skills from the STEM sector to contribute to our growing economy, whether they help with roads or bridges, new machinery, analyze data, crunch statistics to help policymakers decide on new policies or create new farming technologies. The Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts, with the support from USP, FNU, as well as Newcastle and Australian National Universities, will be embarking on pilot projects to promote STEM subjects later this year. In November 2019, we will host the Science and Engineering Challenge, inviting primary and high school students to work as a team on a day-long exercise related to STEM activities. In 2020, of course, we will be promoting STEM in our primary schools using basic equipment, starting in our remote schools. We are serious about addressing the skills shortage and providing exciting opportunities for all our students wherever they are. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2019 and 2020 budget, our government will continue to fund 950 local topper scholarship schemes and 20 overseas scholarships in relevant study programs which are priority areas for Fiji, and if I can name them, medicine, engineering, technology and education. So you can see how serious we are in promoting this. So I strongly encourage students to think outside the box, whether you are in a primary school, whether you are in a secondary school, whether you are in tertiary institutions, please think outside the box. The country needs your innovation, and you are very important to us. We need our young generation to choose a career that is not ordinary top of the mind. We need to address our skill shortage, and studying to work in one of those areas will certainly lead you to your employment. However, we need students to make commitment to the country of birth and to stay to help us grow the economy for the benefit of all Fijians now and for the future. Helping young minds to transit to gainful employment is very high on our government's agenda. I hope that our students will take a broad view of the opportunities across the full spectrum of sectors in searching for jobs. You should look beyond the traditional sectors and consider other exciting and cutting-edge opportunities. Today's domestic competition will identify the best team to represent Fiji, as I said, at the 2019 Robocon competition in Mongolia. So, should I call you students, should I call you adults, should I call you the future of Fiji? You have the privilege to to meet other university students, local and international academics, to please grasp this opportunity with both hands to expand your experience, knowledge, and through such competitions as this, you will gain exposure to new ideas and also experience the innovations in the world of technology, and may you inspire other students to choose STEM subjects and make career opportunities out of that. So I'd like to thank all students, your universities, your mentors, your heads of schools for your preparation and participation, and of course I wish you all the best. I wish all the judges, thank you very much for being here. To all our sponsors and partners and all supporting organizations that have made this competition this morning, a successful one. And ladies and gentlemen, with these words, I have much pleasure in officially declaring the Robocon Domestic Competition open. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all.
Go! Okay, come on, St. Joseph, cheer for your team. Send it down. Okay, teammate with you as well. Here we go, we're counting down. Coverage possible, international school.